The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 5 armed forces of Ukraine command posts near Kharkov, Kramatorsk, Donetsk People's Republic, Nikopol, Dnipropetrovsk region, Zelený Gай, Kherson region and Bereznegovataya, Nikolaev region, as well as 43 artillery units, 157 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Torskoye, Malinovka, Zhelanaya, Donetsk People's Republic, Dimitrova, Zaporozhye region and Shevchenkova, Nikolaev region. 1 Buk M1 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Chasov Yar, Donetsk People's Republic. 1 Raider 4S-300 air defense missile has been destroyed near Alexandrovka, Dnipropetrovsk region. Fighter aviation of Russian aerospace forces have shot down 1 Ukrainian Su-25 near Torskoye, Donetsk People's Republic, and 1 Su-24 of Ukrainian Air Force near Belaya Krynytsa, Kherson region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 8 unmanned aerial vehicles near Nikolaevka, Kharkov region, Urozhaynaya, Stepnoye, Zaporozhskaya, Donetsk People's Republic, Petykhatki, Alexandrovka, Kakhovka and Koshara, Kherson region. 2.U ballistic missiles have been shot down near Ravenki, Lugansk People's Republic. Moreover, 9 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Alha multiple launch rocket system have been destroyed in air near Novaya Kakhovka and Chernobyevka, Kherson region. In total, 312 airplanes and 157 helicopters, 2,145 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,336 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 860 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket systems, 3,445 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,226 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.